Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has ranked supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 17.88% since we first listed supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.74% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further gains are anticipated within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 54% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from nearly 40% to almost 62%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 15.78%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 82.3% and negative 8.63% over the next year. This would imply a future price range between $9.25 and $47.06. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for supermicrocomputer stock after losing 0.522%. The supermicrocomputer stock price fell by 0.522% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. The price dropped from $51.77 to $51.50. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.02%, with a low of $51.40 and a high of $53.98. In the last 10 days, the price has increased in 6, showing a rise of 9.32% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. Overall, 38 million shares were traded, totaling approximately $1.95 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $80.87, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 36.32%, or $29.37, below the 52-week high, and 58.1%, or $71.40, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, has shown remarkable growth, surging 69.3% over the past 3 months, which is noteworthy in today's unpredictable market. However, potential issues loom on the horizon, including rising costs, intense competition, and pressure on profit margins, raising concerns for investors. On August 5th, SMCI is set to report its 4th quarter and full-year fiscal results for 2025. Which could significantly impact its stock price depending on the outcomes. A solid performance could reinforce investor confidence, while disappointing results may trigger a reassessment of the stock's value. Recent developments also point to a growing demand for innovative AI-driven solutions, with DigiPower X partnering with SMCI to launch an NVIDIA-powered AI platform, enhancing SMCI's position within the rapidly expanding AI landscape. Moreover, the company has begun shipping high-performance servers utilizing the latest Intel processors, targeting enterprise and database workloads, indicating a commitment to maintaining cutting-edge technology. In the short term, continued positive momentum could attract more buyers, particularly as tech stocks overall indicate bullish trends. However, with the backdrop of rising operational costs and competition challenges, investors should remain cautious. Long term, if SMCI can effectively address these concerns and leverage its technological advancements, it may well solidify its standing as a major player in the tech sector, potentially doubling its value down the line. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a sector weight rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 3.23%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Supermicro stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal for the stock, offering a positive forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $51.63. In the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at around $46.29. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 47 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $46.15 and $45. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this instance, Supermicro finds support just below today's level at $46.15. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $45.38. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band contributes to its classification as high risk. Over the last day, fluctuated by $2.58 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 5.02%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 4.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is considered a relatively standard P/E ratio, frequently observed in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest earnings of approximately 44 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for supermicrocomputer is at $51.77. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point for swing trading considerations. On the downside, supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $46.15. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Liang Charles conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 20th of May, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Liu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 510 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Liu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 820 shares of common stock. On the 1st of July, 2025, Liu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider sale of 275 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative with a ratio of -83.347. Overall, insiders purchased 107,186 shares and sold 1,400,570 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $49.47, reflecting a decline of 3.94%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? There are several indicators that suggest a negative trend, which may influence the company's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. Nevertheless, we believe that the current price presents a potential buying opportunity and that it could rise over the duration of the next 3 months. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading session, our analysis indicates that the stock is currently undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate that supermicrocomputer will open higher by approximately 79 cents, with an initial trading price around $52.29. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.